What are you eating, Doug? What are you eating?
Please,
No, it's not cheese. What are you eating?
I eat fry.
Fries. A hash brown patty? Is there anything different about the hash brown patty?
Uh-huh.
What's different about it?
Um, I'm eating fries.
I know. Is it cooked? Is it cooked? Did it go in the oven?
No, it didn't go in the oven.
Where did you get it?
He get it.
Max.
He get it in the freezer.
Oh, Doug, did you get the hash brown from the freezer? Is it good frozen? Do you like the frozen hash browns? You like it? Okay then.
Well,
I should probably read the package and make sure those aren't supposed to be heated to a certain temperature or something. I'm assuming they're already okay.
okay.
But you're enjoying it, huh? Okay. Potato popsicles. That's a new one. Say, yummy.
Yummy.
Big smile. Can you give me a big smile? Jeez, this is different than, yeah. Oh, that's a good one.